Hi there. Thanks for clicking on the link to find all about the Katsu curry meal kit. So what you'll find in there is 2 lovely juicy tender breast fillets in a buttermilk and curry marinade. That's with some really traditional Katsu curry sauce, some panko breadcrumbs to go around the chicken, make it all nice and lovely and crunchy, some sticky rice, and then a pickle salad with coriander and spring onions to go with it all. And this is how we cook it. So first of all, we're going to grab a mixing bowl. You could do this in this foil tray here, but it's a little bit easier in a mixing bowl. We're going to pop the chicken in, like so. And then we're just going to tip all of these lovely crunchy panko breadcrumbs in, like so. And then we're just going to give it a real good mix. We want all of the chicken to be coated with all of the panko breadcrumbs. Nice and crunchy when we cook them. So we just want it to be really well mixed. Make sure all of the nooks and crannies have got panko breadcrumbs in them. All over here, all over there. There might be a little bit left over, and that's fine. And then just a little bit. And we can put them back in this tray, just ready to get our fry on. So when we've added the breadcrumbs, we're just going to get a frying pan, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we're just going to add the chicken, like so. We're going to fry that for about 5 minutes on each side, so it's lovely and golden brown and nice and crispy. Right, so there we have chicken all cooked, all golden and crispy, and smells amazing. We've got the sticky rice, which I've just microwaved and put in a little portion. The Katsu sauce, I've just reheated in a pan. It just smells amazing. It reminds me a little bit of chip shop curry sauce, except it's got soy sauce in there, so it's a bit more umami and a bit more savoury. It's delicious. So we're just going to pour that in. Like that. Then we're just going to cut the chicken into strips, like so. Nice big chunky strips. This. Then we're just going to arrange these on top of the rice. Then the last thing to do is just to add, just because this is quite rich, we've got a little pickle salad, coriander and chili and spring onions and pickled cucumber in there, just to cut through it all. So there we have a delicious, very Moorish chicken katsu curry with sticky rice and a pickle salad. Hope you enjoy cooking it.